The fact that we are discussing her separate from black men proves that discussion is out of order and we are outside of the cultural container of our original development. If we were within the cultural container of our original development, we would not discuss her out of context with discussing the man. Because no more than we would discuss one half of a peach or one half of an orange without consideration of the other half. Because we have guided so much on Europe and the characterization of the European man and his relationship with women, we have forgotten that he is no guide, because deep inside of himself he oppresses women because he is afraid of them in a position of authority. And long before he wore a shoe or lived in a house that had a window, we had not only proven that we had no fear of her in authority, we had put her in authority and made her a god. But during this early formative period of Christianity, a woman emerged in North Africa that the world has chosen to forget, Hypatia. Because she was so powerful, they paint her as a Greek. She wasn't a Greek. Now check this out with several people, including Beatrice Lumpkin, who's a specialist on women in history, especially women in mathematics, because she's a mathematician at Malcolm X University in Chicago. And she said that no Greek woman held a position of this caliber at this time in history. She opened up an academy. Her father was a mathematician, and she opened up an academy teaching the basics of Christianity. She is the originator of what we now know as the Sunday school. One of the main reasons I became interested in this question of the black female in power is that I had 3 female deities in my life: my mother, my great-grandmother, and my 5th grade teacher. And I understood something about them that most men don't seem to understand today. But if the woman pull out of our churches, some of them will have to close their doors, pull out some of our lodges, because they're the service unit. They're not taking away man's prerogative, not taking away his manhood. They're buying him time to be a man and to be a better one. I wish we could soberly solve some of our problems based on the fact that neither one of us have any place to go except toward each other